This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable camera access on the Arc web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Arc web browser opened up now. To enable or disable camera access, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper left hand corner, up to the little Arc logo. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the little dialog box that opens up in the Profiles area, you want to click on your profile. Then you'll go down to where it says Privacy and Security, and click on Privacy and Security. Now on this page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to make sure you're on the Privacy and Security tab. Then on the center pane, you want to go down to where it says Site Settings and click on Site Settings. Then in the Permissions section, right here is Camera. By default, that should be set to Sites Can Ask to Use Your Camera. As you see mine is, you want to click on Camera. And then right up top here, it tells you what camera you're set up to use. You could change that by clicking this drop down. I don't have any other cameras on mine. But down below that, default behavior. Sites automatically follow this setting when you visit them. By default, the top one is probably toggled on, as you see mine is. Sites can ask to use your camera. But if you want to disable it, you would toggle on the bottom one. Don't allow sites to use your camera. That is how to enable or disable camera access on the Arc web browser. Thanks for watching.